it's VPJ. This video I'll be continuing our level with a twist. I'm not allowed to delete any objects from the level, meaning that every block I place stays in the level. This episode I'll be decorating the first cube part and it turned out crazy. Let's begin. Alright, here goes nothing. So I'll be decorating this first part until the board. Until the board part. Honestly, I have no clue what I'm gonna do. Well, except for like probably stuff like this, but now our first object is gonna be a color trigger, and it will be a background that goes for, I think a purple might work. I'm gonna do this, I'll do 15 seconds, and I'm gonna leave it over there. And as you can see now, like at the beginning it's like dim, but as we get to the whole part it's like brightening up, and that's really cool. Next thing, what is this alpha trigger? It's 0. Okay, that's good. Therefore, I can just copy paste all this. Basically, we can now set this to T1. There we go. And now the entire level is invisible. But if we go to the preview mode, and you can see the player blocks right there. The next thing, I'm gonna do an L line for once. I think we're gonna do something with these. Our first color, black. I'm gonna put those in the level. You'll see what happens with these in a minute. I still have no clue as to what I'm gonna build yet with these. Alright, now if we go back to preview mode, we can see the background lines, but like there's nothing in them. So now we go layer 2. I think we're gonna do, okay, I'm gonna make a bunch of flashes on these blocks. Then maybe we could do like a mess. I'm gonna save that for later. I'm gonna take the time on this because I came to this video with like no ideas. I'm gonna put, there we go. I think what we can do is like a brighter set of like background. Background brightness is 2, and I'll give saturation that much. Okay. And this is B2. I'm gonna don't forget and don't enter these. Let's see how it turn out. That looks good. That looks good. And maybe for once I'm gonna use the invisible block to my advantage. Basically, I'm gonna do blending. I'm gonna do a blending background of this, and I'm gonna put this in. Now, as you can see, it's not visible, but if you go in the game, it gives like that little glow effect. And I think this will be useful for like make the blocks visible. And I just need to place these all over again. Yay. And maybe we can do a lot more with these invisible blocks because frankly I barely use these and I feel like I should. Now we're gonna do the T, these lines over here, and those over there. There we go. Alright, let's see how this turned out. Yes. Oh yeah, the spikes. I still need to do spikes. This already looks good. Like what the? Of course it just still needs like the glow up, but right at the bat we already got some kind of little cool effect right there. And for now I'm gonna fill up the invisible spots because now I have decided that I'll actually like fill these in, or like the outer portions of them. So yeah. Of course some of will be left in. I haven't not decorated that. What the hell? And for this, I'll just I'll give it a little bit of space. I'll leave that one alone. I'm gonna put that one up there. Gonna do a little bit of clever designing over there, and I can't delete this. Damn it. Where can I put this in the best possible spot? I'll put it next to the T, so it no longer looks like. Actually, I was gonna plan on continuing that, so I'm gonna just continue doing that. Now placing these in, it shouldn't be difficult. Alright, that looks pretty much good. I really like something to pulse with these, and I think glow is gonna do the job pretty well. I'm gonna do the background, so I'm gonna also set this to group number 3. Now I'm gonna place these in like random spots here, here, and here, and I'll put 2 over here. There we go. Yes, it gives texture. It gives texture that it needs. Now that I put out the group, I'm gonna put the pulse trigger, which pulses number 3, and now we can play around. Now I'm gonna do one of these kinds of pulses. Also, ooh, wait. I got what 0.2. I'm gonna put that, and we can also vary this. We can also give it like a reddish and a bluish. I'll give like a little bit of a random. Ooh, wait. So I thought to speed it up a little here, since it was getting a little repetitive. I hope you don't mind about this. So yeah, enjoy. All right, let's see how this looks like right now. This looks okay. I just need to figure out the beginning of this. Okay, basically, I'm gonna put like a really dark one. Now we need to clutch something. Background. Ooh, that actually looks pretty good. I don't think we can like pull off a really cool one on the designs. Wait, I have something. I have an idea, kind of. Basically, we could make the dark parts, or like this part of the design, like pop off with like the background. I'll put that in group number 4. Okay, this is now permanent, so I have to be careful with this. Whoa! I got a pretty funny one. I'm gonna come up with this on the spot, but we can make it like a little bit of a shiny kind of effect. And now we can just copy paste this, and now we can do layer number 5. Then we can do 5. I'm gonna do 15 seconds with 500 in them, and there we go. It should now be moving, and now we can just paste a lot of these in. Either way, it will give the block design a little bit of a makeover. Let's see how this looks. It gives a little bit of texture. That's good. What about the poles? I'm gonna put it on the poles. I'm not sure about the hue, but now we can. There we go. We have a strip of these now, and voila! Look at that. It's a very nice shining effect. Well done, me. Well done. Well done. Well done. Trust me, it gets even better as the video goes on. There we go. I copy pasted a little. We should have it playing right now. Yes. But basically now that it's looking good, it's looking good. And now that we have done that, we can actually work on a background now. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do as the background though. I think I figured out the answer, and now we can just background B4, and now we can do 6. We have these 3. There was like a collab part I was doing. Let's see how this looks, but it's not visible. Great. Either way, it's grouped up to number 6. I'm gonna do 1,000 on this. I can. Oh wait, I can save this up for like a later part of the level. I heard of a loophole from a friend of mine that I could just paste down on top of the level, but I'm not scummy. This is a no delete scene. Now with those out of the way, I have a clever idea. What if I just do this? B4, put it 2 there, and now it shouldn't affect the design. Yes. Oh, perfect. It's a pretty lame background, but it's a way to get out of a sticky situation, you know. And now we can. I'm gonna take a couple more of these, paste this a couple more times, and that should be enough. And now it should give like a reversal effect, pretty much. Yes! I think we can do like ground spikes on this. Actually, we should probably do the actual spikes on itself. So here I did the spikes that I forgot to do earlier, completely glow and all that really cool stuff. So yeah, I honestly, I don't know even know why I made these speed ups quite fast. So yay. Now for the inner design. Okay, I think I figured it out. Basically, I'll leave those in, and now we half space these, go down, half space these. It's like this simple of a design, and we can do the same up top. We can put some over here, like brushes. I'm gonna put the rest of these outlines in, and then we can get to the inner part of the inner design and the inner everything, and maybe at this point we will reach inner peace. Okay. I'll put one here. There we go. And oh, I think we got a problem here. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna put that there. And I think we can get away with this one if we just put this on blending. Now, like, gives like a reverse effect. That was not intended. I'm not sure if this is gonna work, but blending black on the L line. Wait, it's the other way around. Whoops. It should give us a glow, and now we can just mess around with this glow. We can do that. We can just put a couple over there. We can just flip this direction and put some over here. I'll give it a little test for these object types. I think we can implement this design here. Oh my! Why did I not go with that? Why didn't I? Oh god! But basically, and I like an actual texture, like the. Okay, yeah. This was definitely a good one. Ah, wait, was that all of them? I think it was all of them. Shoot. Okay. Wait, no. It's a little messy, but I think we can like filter these outlines, and now we can do number 7 on these. And for this one, we can do an alpha trigger, and on alpha triggers, number 7, and we can now do a whole load of things. For instance, we can start off with 0.5. Honestly, it gives texture. I mean, I don't mind. Here I did another alpha trigger with the same principles to get the lines a flashing effect. It gives it like an interesting take on it. Honestly, now that I think about it, these glow ups just don't help either. If you can do the same thing to these, you can connect it to the alpha trigger. That's what I'm gonna do. T1. I think that was all of them. If not, then whatever. It's gonna look bad, but it's an interesting texture. But okay, whatever. Moving on. I'm gonna do next one. I'm gonna do is air deco. I'm gonna start off with the orbs, and these ones will be okay, first off, we're gonna do copy values, base color. And, this ones will be layer 8. Next one on this orb saga, we can do this. There's like no invisible object to fill that in, but we can add in a glow object. Do something like this to the orb, and now we can just brighten this orb up a little. There we go. And let's see how this turned out. I'm not sure about the glow. I'm gonna put that in like 0.6 or something. I'm debating on this orb. I'll put it, but only as a test. And I'm gonna play test right now, actually, to see if it works. I mean, I think that can stay, yeah. Next thing I'll do is arrows. It will be very similar to the orbs here. And that's exactly what I did. I just copy-pasted the values of what I did previously on the orbs to make the arrows for the level, or the part, or I don't even know what I'm talking about with these animation thingies, so I'm gonna be lazy and I'm not gonna rotate them. No, it's still okay. It still kind of sucks because like the song doesn't even translate properly to this, unless it's something I have to do for the sake of having to do. This is another case of absolute scaling. Boom. I feel like, okay, whatever. I'll move on. This is a little bit of a mess already, but next thing I'm gonna do ground spikes, and these ground spikes will be pretty simple ones, but I'll experiment with the color. For the ground spikes, I stack the set of these on top of each other, then put them on different spots, and you'll see what came out of it. Okay, I want to experiment. My friend used to do this. Oh wait, I still have the absolute. Wait a minute. I don't know. Wait. Okay, I think that was worth it. And now that we have this, we can. This is gonna be like a very simple one. I think it's number 8. We can do 15, and I'll do one black movement on 10 seconds. It moves, but it like only very, very slightly. And now we just put that one in there. I'm gonna. There's something I don't like, definitely. There's something I don't like about this now. I think it still like needs a lot of glow on this. I'm gonna do a what's called a glow staircase. It's like something like this. Shoot. I'll I'll do one more. Basically, we just stack this glow on top of each other, and now we just we can D3 this. Basically, trigger number 10 will be 15 seconds. Watch the player acts, and now we just put in on none. There we go. Put another one where it like locks in. Okay, it definitely helps. And maybe on top of that, we can do a black layer. I'll give that one a shot. There we go. And now, it looks really dim. I can just move it a little bit up. I'll put a little bit of aero deco. I'm gonna do invisible slopes. There's gonna be a test, but I'll likely incorporate them later in the level anyway, so I'll put that one in there. Last but not least, I made some invisible slopes, and I put them in some spot. It revealed a couple cool ideas, but anyways, here's the final result. Here's the final result of the level, or like the part we just did. I think it looks pretty fire, aside from like a couple things that can be improved, but I'm gonna do a couple more things to set up the next part. For instance, the break background, this one, the one with the number 5 is to move trigger. I think we can. Either way, I think this was a little success for me for this one. I got scared of this, but it actually worked out. Of course, I will improve this when the time comes, but like, yeah. Anyways, if you want to see more episodes of this, you can check the playlist on the screen right about now. And otherwise, if you want to see other videos of mine, you can click on my channel icon, maybe even subscribe. Anyways, that's about it.